On an even cube like this 4x4, at the end you could reach a parity situation like this, where notice that this side is solved, the opposite side is solved, but on this red side you've got the two orange ones that are out of place, and on the orange side you have the two red ones that are out of place. And the algorithm for solving this is simple. You do a double wide U, so that's the top two, U2. You do a double wide R2, a single U2, then just this inner layer 180 degrees, then another U2, another double wide R2, and a double wide U2. And it's solved.